Welcome back to my video, guys. We're gonna have a great match. We have Earthquake versus Andre the Giant. Here we go. We have Andre in the ring. We have Earthquake in the ring. Two biggest guys in the ring. Ding 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 ding. Oh, Andre the Giant is hitting Earthquake. Oh, right on the ground with Earthquake. They're both big guys. An Earthquake. Oh no. A German suplex to him. Oh, headbutt to Andre the Giant. An Earthquake can't believe he actually did a headbutt to Andre the Giant. Andre gets out of the ring. An Earthquake does another headbutt to Andre the Giant. And picks him up. Suplexes him in the ring. Oh. Andre the Giant. Oh, picks up Earthquake. And hits him off the rope. And suplex. Oh. Choke slam. Wait a minute. The leg drop from Andre the Giant. 1, 2. Oh. Earthquake kicked out. Earthquake kicked out. Boof. He jumps from the top to make the Earthquaker. Oh. 1, 2, 3. Ding 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 ding. Our winner by pinfall, Earthquake. Yeah, I'm Earthquake. I'm the best wrestler in this company. Yeah. Thanks for watching my video, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.